Hi guys, Ron here, and in this video I will show you how to use animation on scroll effect on your website. So first you need to go to this website, which is animation on scroll official page, and we need to use this library in our project to apply animation on scroll effect. So basically animation on scroll is a library which helps you to create this animation on scroll effect. Here are a few examples of this effect in action. So to start using this effect, we need to add this library to our project. So here we are creating a new empty project called YT AOS, and I will be opening this folder in my bracket text editor. After that, we need to create an index.html file. After creating index.html file, we need to create the basic structure for HTML. Now to use this library, we can download the zip file of this library and include it in our project, or you can also use the CDN. The link to CDN will be in the bottom of this page. Now we need to copy the CSS and JS link and add it to our HTML document. Now basically our project is now linked with the library. Now we need to run the initialization function. For this we will go to the end of the body tag and add a script element. Inside the script element, we will run the AOS init function. Now we will need different elements to apply the animation. So I already created some elements, HTML elements, which are some divs, and I will be pasting that divs in this document. So we have 6 divs over here. And I will be adding the CSS class, which will define the height and width of this div. Also I have defined some colors for the div. Now if we open this index.html file in the browser, we will see that there are 6 divs on this page with 3 different colors. Now to apply animation to the divs, we will require this data AOS attribute. We will copy this attribute from here and paste it in our HTML document. We can apply this different animation to different divs. Now if we reload the same index.html page, we can see that the animation is applied to this divs. You can use this animation on scroll on any attributes apart from div, for example like images. I have created this image tag and included this image, and I can add data AOS attribute to this image, and the image will load with an animation. So this is the animation on scroll library, which is totally free to use and open source. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more stuff like this. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.